Meaning of digestive system.
Digestive system.
Digestive system.
Digestive system.
Digestive system. The digestive system refers to the organs and structures responsible for breaking down food into nutrients and waste products. It begins in the mouth with chewing and saliva production, continues through the esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and rectum, and ends with elimination through the anus. The process involves mechanical and chemical breakdown of food, absorption of nutrients into the bloodstream, and elimination of waste. A healthy digestive system is essential for optimal nutrient absorption and overall health. Digestive disorders can lead to a range of symptoms and complications.